Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your AutoDS wallet quickly and easily. If you are using AutoDS for dropshipping and you have built up a balance, here's how to get that money into your account. So let's dive in. First, log into your AutoDS account. Then once you are in, head over to the left hand side on the screen, click on the wallet. Uh, or you can also click on your profile icon, then go to your AutoDS wallet. Now inside your wallet you will see your available balance. Now just click on the withdraw balance, then um, now enter your amount you want to withdraw. Make sure your withdrawal method is set. AutoDS currently support Payoneer. To connect your Payoneer account, just click on sign up to Payoneer, and you will be redirected to Payoneer. Just fill up the form and add your account. Or if you select I already have an account, then you will prompted to this dialog box. Just fill up the form with your Payoneer account details, and then click on add. And once everything looks good, go ahead and click confirm. AutoDeals will process your request and your funds will be on their way. Keep in mind, it might take a few business days for the funds to reach your Payoneer or linked account depending on your processing time. And that's it. That's withdrawing money from AutoDS is pretty straightforward. Once you know where to go in this video helped you all, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. See you in the next video.